Hi everyone and welcome to my day 6 trying to work as a bioinformatician. Okay, ignore this because I have covered up an enormous pimple. My schedule for today is to do some ROSALIND problems. I don't know how many problems I'm going to do because I want to spend all morning doing these problems. And in the afternoon, I want to continue with my website because in the last video, I told you that there are some functionalities that don't work. Also, I want to say thank you for everyone because I didn't expect that I will get too many subscribers because my content it's like weird in some way, and also I don't speak English very well, so thank you so much for all the subscribers and also for your likes, your comments, etc. And also I want to say that my boyfriend told me that I could tell you more about the problems that I am resolving. So today I want to try to do this, and if you liked it, tell me in the comments and I will continue doing it. Let's go to the laptop. Okay, I'm going to start with this problem. I have to say that I tried to solve this problem a few days ago, but when I compared the example solution with mine, it didn't match. So I'm going to try again to solve it. I finished the first problem and now I'm going to start the second one called FASTQ format introduction. FASTQ is a type of file which has the score quality of a sequence, okay? So you can see here. So I'm going to do this problem. When I finish all the problems, I will tell you how I solved it. Okay, I have to say something about this problem before I forget it. And as you can see here in this line, it says that the genetic code variants, okay, in the indexes can be found here, okay? If you click in this hyperlink, you can see this website, okay? And here the maximum number is 15. But I tried to run my code with only 15 tables, and the return of my function was none. And that doesn't make sense. And then I searched in internet about these genetic codes, okay? And I found this website of NCBAE. And as you can see here, there are more genetic codes, okay? So using these ones, everything works. So I wanted to say that because if any of you try to solve this problem, you have to use these numbers, not the ones that appears in the ROSALIND website. Okay, I don't know when was the last time I recorded, but I have been programming this problem for 2 hours or more. I don't know. I don't remember when I started. Oh my god, this was so difficult. First of all, I tried to install the program that they says here, okay, L-align, because I want to implement everything in my code. I don't know. I don't want to go to the website and run it here and then copy the pattern and put it into the code. I mean, I want my code to be replicable. I mean, if one person takes my code and upload his dataset, I want that the code works. I don't want that he have to take the sequences and go to the website, run here in a line, and then back to the code and run the code. I don't want it, okay? So I try to make it everything coding, okay? Just you only have to have installed the line program, okay? And I tried everything, anything works, and I found this repository, okay? I don't know who is this guy, okay, but I don't care. I saw that he does the same thing that I don't want to do, okay? I mean, he run the sequences in the website and then put here the pattern, but I saw that he ran the program with this matrix and this gap, okay? And he says that he picks the 100% match, okay? So I changed only this, okay, here. I changed what he says, and this works. Really, I don't know how many hours I have been programming this. I'm starving, okay? I don't usually eat at this hour. I eat early, but finally I solved it after 4 attempts. But oh my god. Also, this problem was also solved only by 574 people. Now I'm going to have lunch, and then I will tell you how I solved the 3 problems that I did.
2 hours later.
Okay, it's almost 4, and I'm going to tell you how I solved the problems. Okay, the first problem that I solved today was about you receive 2 gene bank IDs and you have to return the maximum global alignment score between the DNA strings associated with that IDs, okay? So I used BioPython to do all the things. First of all, I read the gene bank IDs. I retrieve the records from gene bank, okay, with the efetch function. The database that I used was nucleotide, and I retrieved the FASTA. And with that FASTA, I made an alignment, a global alignment between the 2 sequences, and I used the pairwise aligner. I put all the scores that the problem told me, and I performed the alignment, and I got the score, okay? In the second problem, you received a FASTQ file, okay? And you have to return the corresponding FASTA records. So I used the SecEO module from BioPython, and I only need to read the file and transform it to FASTA. In the third problem, you receive a DNA string and a protein string, okay? And that protein string is translated by the DNA string. So you have to return the index of the genetic code variant that was used for that translation. As I told you before, the website in the ROSALIND website is not updated. So I had to search the correct website, and I solved this problem just translating the DNA sequence to protein, and I used the number 1, the number 2, the number 3, all that genetic code variants, okay? And I compared the protein from the dataset and my new protein, and if they are equal, I return the number of the genetic code variant. And the last problem was the most difficult. You receive 2 DNA strings, okay, in FASTA format, and the strings share some sort inexact repeat substring of 32 to 40 pair base. I don't know if pair base. The word inexact means that the substring could have until 3 differences. Okay, so with that information, they are told us that the sequence must have less or equal to 3 of Hamming distance. The Hamming distance measures the number of differences between 2 sequences. So I made a function that calculates the Hamming distance, okay? But at first we need to get the alignments, okay? Because in this problem, you have to do a local alignment, but not only the best local alignment. You need to do all the local alignment that you can. So first of all, I get the FASTA files in 2 separate FASTA files, and I run the program called L-align. Okay, this program I had to download it, and that program you can run it through the command line. So to know what parameters should I use, I run it in the website, and then I copy the the command line, okay? And I made that to run the program, and after that I need to read the output. In that output, I look for the match that is between the numbers that they told me. I mean, they says that the substring must be between 32 and 40. Okay, so I looked for that alignments which has that length, and with that substring I calculate the Hamming distance with the sequences, and the return of the program will be the number of occurrences of that substring in the first sequence and in the second sequence. And that's all the explanation. I don't know if I explained it well. I hope so, but I don't know. Tell me if you like this type of of part of the video. Now I'm going to start with the website, because as I told you before in the morning, there are some functionalities that doesn't work in this moment. I'm going to start with the website because, as I told you before in the morning, there are some functionalities that don't work at this moment, and I need to fix it. Also, I don't have too much time to do this because it's 10 past 4. I don't know how many time I'm going to spend doing this, because I have less than an hour to do all of this, and if I can't find what's happening, I will do it tomorrow. Okay, I found something weird, and that co-identifier for the subgraph number 1 doesn't have any enrichment value and p-value. I don't know why, because as you can see in the other subgraphs, they have these values and they are very significant. So I don't know what's happening. As you can see, I fixed it, and everyone has in this moment the enrichment and the p-value. I had a bug in the code. It was a very stupid bug, but I solved it, I fixed it, better said. Well, now I'm going to try to fix the search type by go term because it doesn't work, and I don't have too many time because in less than 30 minutes I need to go. Okay, I fixed it, and now if I put the go term here and click in the go button, I have here all the results. And I want to change some things because if I don't click into the go identifier, I don't want to show the enrichment p-value. But I will do that tomorrow because it's 5 o'clock and I need to go. So I'm going to say you goodbye. Give me a moment. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.